Them boy they fi dead. Them boy they fi dead quick. Bust off a series a shot like a Netflix. Make the boy them do out themselves, call it this quick. That clip they done, so just pass me a next clip and next clip and next clip. Blood just start exit. Black rain a farm and a pro me and a print. Welcome to the program, ladies and gentlemen. We have a young man with us today whose music has taken over Jamaica and even some parts of the world over the last couple of months. Ladies and gentlemen, make welcome Spineless. Welcome to the program, Spineless. Yeah, man, Guildford, thanks for having me on the program. You don't know, sir, the boy is Spineless. And how we used to do the crime, because Jamaica could never be crimeless, you see me? Yeah, man, okay. But I want to hold up my glasses. Your nose? I mean, you don't know, so we shoot a boy, them coffee can help me to have close, you see me? Right? Well, Spineless. So it seems as if your music has been running riot over Jamaica over the last couple of months. Talk to us about that. Yeah, man, Guildford, they know say a long time we are work hard, you know. And the people them say right now, our time, because them love the crime where the rain a fall or a sun a shine, you see me? Alright. So what would you say to the people who believe that your music has just been violent and has not been helping Jamaica at all? Well, right now, depends upon you look upon it in a Guildford. Okay? My own truth is that it's a crimey time out there right now, you know. So me I show the people them what going from my side, and obviously the people them love it, you see me? But Spineless, this is not your present situation though. Don't you live uptown now? You don't live in Norbrook? Yeah, me live uptown, Guildford, but they say you're gone wrong, you know. Cause judge, you look like you're judge me right there right now. Me make you know what go on the streets, Guildford, no, because me live in Norbrook right now. Means me no know what go on the streets and I know my personal situation. No, but it has nothing to do with that. But let's move on. So what's next for Spineless? Well, you don't know, so for the last 2 years we start out the world tour now, but you couldn't get to start out because of some document issues and them things. So you don't know, so right now we are going on a world tour. But before we go on a world tour, you don't know, so we have to go on a school tour. You see me? A school tour? What do you mean? Yeah, man, I make the youth them know, say, you know, crime another way. But Spineless, doesn't that contradict the music that you've been making? Your music isn't built for students. What do you mean by contradict? No, it would be a contradiction because you are talking about killing in the song that we just heard a while ago. So how is it that you're going to tell Guildford, the young people? They say you're gone wrong again in a Guildford. Guildford, may I try to show you, say, no, watch what me I do. Watch what me I said to you. And that me I tell you them, watch what me I said to you. But it is contradicting and even hypocritical because you're the one who are telling people to commit crimes. But you're going to the school and telling them not to do violence and to commit crimes. I don't understand. I like how you're moving. It's like say I fight out man thing in a Guildford. I'm not too like that. You know? No man, I'm not trying to offend you or anything. You know? I'm just saying it seems very contradicting that you would talk about violence on one hand. I'm left out and then you want to say I fight and I fight, man. You know?